Hi students, MCQ number 21. PV diagram of an ideal gas is shown in the figure below. Work done by the gas in the process ABCD has to be determined. Now you can see this is the indicator diagram. In this indicator diagram, the gas starts from A and proceeds to B, then B to C, then C to D. So what is the work done in these three steps? So in the first step, the volume of the gas is 2V0 up to B. The volume is V0. Okay. So the gas is compressed. So the volume decreases. And next B to C, the volume V0 remains constant. Okay. The pressure increases from P0 to 2P0. Then from C to D, the volume increases from V0 to 3V0. So the increase in volume means gas expands at a constant pressure 2P0. Now, what is the total work done? So W net, the total work done is equal to work done from A to B plus work done from B to C plus work done from C to D. So D is the final step. So in these three steps we have to find out the work done. So first one is work done A to B. So this is equal to P dV. This is the general expression for finding the work done, is it not? So from A to B, the pressure is P0. Okay, so this is equal to P0 into dV is the change in volume. Change in volume from A to B. From A to B is what? 2V0 minus V0. So this is actually change in volume should be what? Final volume minus initial volume. If you take means V0 minus 2V0 I have to take. Okay, so final volume V0 minus 2V0. So this is minus V0. Therefore this is minus P0 into V0. The work done is negative. Okay. Now work done from B to C. So this is equal to P into dV, change in volume. So here you see that B to C, the change in volume is 0. So the volume is constant. Therefore this is P into 0. So this work done is 0 because the volume remains constant. There is no change in volume. Now next is C to D. So from the point C to D, what is the work done? So once again pressure P into dV. You can see here the pressure is 2P0. Okay, so the pressure is 2P0. The final volume at D is 3V0. Initial volume at C is V0. So 3V0. So final volume 3V0 minus V0. So this is equal to 2P0 into 3 minus 1. So this is also 2V0. So that this is equal to 4P0 V0. Okay. So the work done from A to B is minus P0 V0. I am going to substitute here. And the work done from B to C is 0. The work done from C to D is 4 P0 V0. Therefore, the net work done, okay, the net work done is equal to minus P0 V0 plus 0 plus 4 P0 V0. So this is equal to 4 P0 V0 minus P0 V0. So this is equal to 3 times P0 V0. This is the net work done in the process A, B, C, D. So which of the options is correct? You see option C. Okay. Therefore option C is the correct answer. And you can see here the work done from A to B we have got a negative value, isn't it? So always in the indicator diagram you see that A to B that is from right side to left side. Okay, the work done is negative. Then from left to right side, if you see, means the work done is positive. These are all some of the hints. Okay, so here we have found that 3 P0 B0 is the right answer. So such question, diagrammatic questions, many questions are being asked in the entrance exams. So you will have to be thorough with this topic. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.